Yeehaw! And the name is Cletus, and I just got a new set of chompers, and they're not even yellow yet. And see this one? This one is for chomping on meat. This old big chopper. For chomping meat, and that's what they're made for. And I got a message for all the veterinarians or vegetarians. Yes, that's it. For every animal you don't eat, I'm going to eat 3. Yes, I'm going to eat 3 for every one you don't eat, so it doesn't matter about you. I'm going to eat a burger, a steak, a juicy barbecue rib, and all the beef I can eat. What are you saying? If I ate meat every day and every meal, I could only eat probably 1 cow a year? Ah, you're saying eat the birds. All right, because they're small. You can eat a ton of little birds, like my Duck Dynasty friends, vegan. We'll show those vegans. Duck Dynasty friends said they eat a bunch of little birdies. The factory farm birdies, not the type they show on commercials there. Those little red bonds, they lie to you suckers. They fooled you. There's a quote, it's easier to fool someone than to convince them they've been fooled. Mark Twain, yes. You are all fools. They all raise the birds in those horrible factory farms, but I get my cows from the livestock show. And I just wanted to say that I need my meat to be strong. I need to be strong, so I need my meats like Arby's. I need to be a big, tough guy. You know, all the animals that I eat, they make me tough, man. Huh? Elephants don't eat meat? Rhinos? Horses? Are you kidding me? Buffalo? Ox? Giraffe? Hippos? Gorillas? Oh my God, the giant panda? Whoa, those are some tough boys. Kangaroos, man, they will box the crap out of you. Oh wow, they don't even eat meat? Oh my. Well, I guess I'll eat the elephant so I can be bigger. I eat the vegetarian food secondhand then, man. Why don't I eat a dog from a shelter? You're saying eat roadkill and a dog from a shelter, and that would be better because they're already putting the dogs down. That's gross, man. I don't want to eat dog blood and raw flesh from a dog. That ain't right. You don't eat dogs. What kind of sick person eats dogs? Dolphins? You want to eat a dolphin? Or a lion? That's just cruel, man. And eat bugs? You're saying to eat insects? Worms? Why do I eat the animals that we eat, he's saying? Why do I eat chicken, cows, and pigs, those 3 animals? Well, it's our culture. You're saying I'm brainwashed? That's why I eat those animals? I wouldn't eat a puppy, maybe a hot dog. Not a real dog. That's sick, man. You're gross. Blood, and I don't want to eat dog blood. Anyways, man, the vegetarians, you know what that means? Bad hunter. The bad hunters. Most people are bad hunters, the vegetarians. Most people don't hunt. Well, yeah, they buy it from a factory farm. Yeah. I guess, those red bonds and those TV commercials, they fooled you again. But you know what I say? Dairy is not scary. They told me dairy is scary. You know what? The only time dairy is scary is when I wake up in the middle of the night and I get my cookie and milk. Sometimes I get scared from my own shadow. It's dark and everything, man. So dairy can be scary if it's late at night and you just had a nightmare, man. So dairy can be scary. They're right about that one. I'll tell you, they are right about that one. So get with the program, Brohim, Broski. What's up? So maybe they have a point. Maybe I will cut back a little bit. But I'm not wrong, though. I'm not wrong, and I'm not being defensive, man. I'm not being defensive. I'm not wrong, but I may cut back a bit. Vegan is the future. Man, the future is fur and meat. Well, maybe a little less meat, though. I'll cut back on the little birdies for you. So how do you like me now? How you like me now? I'm gonna go watch some NASCAR. NASCAR. That's fun now. So, let me see if I covered everything. They want me to eat pigeon meat. They said if I'm a real carnivore, I would eat pigeon meat off the street raw. Or roadkill raw. Man, that's gross. I don't want blood and guts and feathers and fur in my food. So, maybe I'll eat more like those elephants and the gorillas and the rhinos and the kangaroos, the giant panda, the buffalo, the ox, and the horse. Yeah, the horsies. I'll eat like the horsies because I do want to be tough. So maybe I'll eat more like those elephants and horsies. So, Cletus signing off. And I guess I'm going to eat more vegan food. Vegan. Yeah.